Hey guys, it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today I'm unboxing, oops, it's upside down. This is the Planet Lofire subscription. Planet Lofire is a sustainable subscription box. So basically what they do is every month they send you a box that helps you like reduce your carbon footprint in a 12-month step-by-step process. Each one is devoted to a different space, like in your home. I believe this is the laundry box. They're $39.99 a month. These, I'm excited to see what's in here. Now, it did come. Now, you might be like, wow, this is really interesting. I believe this is all compostable, recyclable, etc. It did come in an outer box. And then this box was inside, and it looks like this. It almost looks like a takeout container. I was like, oh, it looks like kind of like a takeout. Do you know what this would be really good for? Seed starters. I think I might repurpose. So inside, you'll find things that are upcycled, recycled, repurposing, all that good stuff. So, let's find out. I hope it's not packaged really beautifully inside and I didn't take pictures. Because I wanted to show you guys how cute it was. I didn't want to take this off because I could not get it back on. I know it right now in my heart. Alright, so let's open this. Oh, look. Ooh, here it is. Here it is. Alright, so they got their eco-enclosed thing. This is, I guess, yes, Dirty Laundry Box, Planet Lofire's Green Revolution. And then they have all the items that are in here on here. We're not going to look at that yet. We might have to look at it in a few minutes. And everything is packed in with this. Ooh, how exciting. This is so different. I just wanted to show you guys something like this because I feel like this is something that's really different. This is something that's really useful. And it's something that, like, if you live where I live in a really rural area, not rural, I mean, look. We're very close to Philadelphia, but we're not close enough to like things that are, you know, progressive. It's not a really progressive area. So I feel like the fact that you can get something like this delivered to you is a really, really cool idea. All right, so this is Rock and Green Unscented Sample Kit. We are about to rock your laundry world. My son is downstairs yelling for me. Oh my gosh, kids. Oh my gosh. I don't even know if he's done yet. Okay. So anyway, this is a laundry sample kit from Rock and Green. I don't want to like destroy this bag, but I have a feeling I might have to just... Oh, there, look, that works, right? Okay. So we have... Awesome things come in small packages. You're welcome. Rock 'em Green. Dye-free, naturally scented, vegan, no fillers, phosphate-free, SLS and paraben-free, biodegradable, made in the USA, economical, awesome. So this is a laundry detergent and it's unscented. Works in all machines. So there is that. It's like a powder. There is a soft check. What's this for? Ooh, it's a pH thing? I've never done that. Oh my gosh, so my son is downstairs, the UPS guy came and dropped off a box and he's down there like yelling, the baby's sleeping. He's down there yelling, Mom, we got this giant box. Oh, I love you, but you're making me mad. Okay, then we have, this is more, I guess this is the same thing in here. And there came with a pH, I guess this is to test your water. It's soft check, water hardiness test strip. So that's going to check the hardness, softness of your water. Because depending, you can use less detergent if you have soft water because it's more bubbly. All right, I'm running up and down the steps. All right, this is from Frankenmuth Woolen Mill. Ooh, dryer balls. Oh, 3XL all natural wool. I have dryer balls, but first of all, did I not get two? Or I don't know, something. They're like this big though, and the kids wind up taking them, playing with them, and I lose them. So these are obviously a little smaller, but these are such a great alternative to dryer sheets. So there's 3 in here. Ooh, I'm not going to take them all out because they're all going to look alike, but yes, I love this. I love that idea. I love that you don't have to worry about dryer sheets and all of that. I have really sensitive skin. I get really itchy, and dryer sheets will do that to me. All right, then we have something here. What on earth? So it hangs up. It's got like a string. And there's this on the other side. What is this? Today I hold your air plant. Ooh. Yesterday I used to be a shipping pallet. Oh, so it's an air plant holder. I have an air plant downstairs. It's inside of a sea urchin. Oh, look, I guess it's supposed to be like this. Right? And then there's a little stamp here. Isn't that cool? That's neat. I'll have to find out more on the card then. And there's this little parcel that's all wrapped up pretty. I love all like the minimalist brown. Ooh, is this tea? Moonlight Organic Herbal Tea. This is basil, peppermint, and lavender. I've never had a basil tea. And then they do have their own like biodegradable tea bags. This is from Luna Tea Company, and this is made for Planet Lofire, so this is an exclusive. Let's see if we can see the lavender. Ooh, I can't wait. I want to smell it. I'm going to get basil all over my bed. Oh, it smells good. It smells like lavender, and you guys know how I feel about florals. We get along quite swimmingly. All right. Then we've got open here. It says, oh, is this an air plant? Oh, I love air plants. I have one downstairs, and then I gotta get this some water like right away. And then I do have, oh, look at this one, how it curls out like that. It looks like it's grabbing. So you're gonna lay it in, I'm guessing like this. Did they add these little hooks here, or is that part of the plant? Oh, that's interesting. All right, let's see here. You're gonna put it in, I guess, I think this is what they want you to do. I'm gonna have to look though. And then you just hang it, I guess. See, like that. Now it's not very secure, but that's what you're gonna do. Isn't that neat? I had a feeling there was gonna be an air plant if they're getting an air plant holder. All right, then we have witch hazel, DIY kit ingredient. What are you gonna be doing with this? We're gonna find out, but witch hazel is multi-purpose. There is a glass bottle. I made my own Relax linen spray. Look at this blue bottle, love it. And then we have Organic Lavender Hybrid. What's a hybrid? Huh. All right. So I'm guessing that we are going to be making a linen spray. So we got our wool dryer balls here. They last 1,000 loads or 2 to 5 years. Organic essential oil. You can use that on your dryer balls. It just tells you a little bit more about the oil. Caffeine-free calming tea, of course. Air plant care. And it doesn't tell you any more about the hanger. I'm going to have to look that up if that's their own creation or what. But I love this box. What do you think? I think this is so cool. Let me know down below your thoughts. I'd love to hear them. I will also link to my full review. I'll link to Planet Lofire so you can check them out. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye!